Is that sweat I feel coming off your head?
Yeah. Deep breath in and deep breath in.
We're gonna bring this way. Oh, it popped right there already. There we go, guys.
Hip flexors. Push this way.